Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to make a very easy DIY ghost, pretty much using either Dollar Tree items or items you already have at home. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so what you need are boxes. Now I have these two boxes right here because I want my ghost to be kind of tall, so I just have this one box right here. This looks like it's a 16 by 16 by 16. I really don't think the size matters as far as this one, but you do need a taller box like this, something kind of skinny. I actually threw this in the trash and just thought, you know what, I'm gonna try and find some use for this. So you definitely need a box that's kind of thin and kind of tall, and that's kind of open, and I'll tell you why in a minute. Now, if you don't have two boxes of this size, even if you just have one this size, you can work with that. And if it's taller, that works even better. All right, next you will need a white, this is a tablecloth. And also you can, this is actually a fabric tablecloth, but you can also use a Dollar Tree plastic tablecloth. And this is optional. I have these two white trash bags, and I'll show you why you might need these. You'll need a ball. This is just like a regular kid's ball. I think they sell these at the dollar store every now and then, especially during the summertime. Or Walmart carries them as well, or Amazon. And then you'll need some black paper. This is just some of my kids' black construction paper. You'll need some scissors, and you'll need some double-sided tape. All right, so let's put this thing together. For Halloween, I want to kind of put together some crazy things for our kids, since we're not going to do trick-or-treating this year the normal way. We're going to actually just kind of do things at home. And if you can tell here, we're going to, if you guys can tell what this is, we are going to be making a like a maze for our kids. So I think they'll be excited to actually go through this homemade maze. There'll be something different. I just thought of something fun for them to do, especially since they're not going trick-or-treating this year. But if you guys are interested in seeing this video, then check it out next. I'll be putting that up soon. But yeah, we're going to do like a fun little cute little maze for them. And I'm going to have this little ghost, or actually I'm going to try to make a few of these depending on how many balls I can find in the house, or I'll try to find a different alternative because I don't have that many of these balls. I'll try and find something else, and I'll show you guys if I do some other options. All right, but let me go ahead and get started putting this one together using these materials. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, if you have a white ball, that'd probably be better, but because I don't want to see too much of this color in my ghost, so I just took two just white trash bags. If you have a third or a fourth you want to use to kind of hide the color, you can do that. So I'll just have my two trash bags right here. Just going to put my ball in there and just kind of close it up, tuck in the end so it's as round as possible. Gonna tie it in a knot. You can kind of still see the color in it, but because for our decorations it's going to be dark in our house, it's not really going to show. But if you want to use, actually even if you want to use it outside, it's going to be pretty dark, so I don't think anyone's going to see or care. So we have this right here, have the little knot right there, and then all you need to do is take your box, your tall box. So again, I don't have a very tall box, and I do want my ghost to be kind of tall, so I'm going to just use what I have. And here, this box we had, we got a lamp from, I believe, Amazon, an outdoor lamp. solar lamp, and this is the box it came in. To be honest, I actually put this box in the trash, and I just went and grabbed it real fast because I was trying to think of different ways to kind of make ghosts. I was online searching for them, and you know, like buying from the stores. Number one, because it's only a few days from Halloween, there's not many decorations left. But two, they're also kind of expensive, and I don't want to use anything where I gotta spend a whole bunch of money. Anyway, this is why you need a box with an open top so that you can sit your ball inside like this. I guess if you didn't have a box with the open top, I mean, I'm not sure, maybe you could glue it on top. I'm not sure. I'll have to try that and see if it works. But we have him sitting up there pretty nicely. And now you're just going to take your tablecloth and just put on top. So if you guys can see right here, he is, you know, he's a good height. You know, I just want him taller, but I mean, I think this height right here is okay. See if I can back up so you guys can see. So then you just kind of play around with your tablecloth to kind of hide the openings and just kind of drape it so it looks more like a ghost. So I'm going to play around with this for a little bit. So now all I'm going to do is just pick him up and put him on top of my other box. Actually, I should have done this part first. But hey. And just fix your tablecloth. You just kind of have to play around with it a bit just to make sure that he's all covered. Now with my construction paper, I'm just gonna cut out some eyes. I don't think it has to be perfect. No one's gonna be able to tell. But let's see what I can come up with. If you want, you can draw these out first. So I have one right here. Looks okay. And I'm just going to place it on my sheet and see if I can cut around it to try and make them close to being the same size. Now I'm probably want to do about maybe 2 of these. I have to just go around my house and see what other boxes and things I can find. Alright, so here's my 2 eyes. Now for the mouth, let's cut this excess off. Let me think. Sometimes you just kind of have to. We'll make his mouth actually look the same. Again, you can play with the different shapes and what kind of look you really want. I think my kids are going to be so excited, even though they're not going to be able to go trick-or-treating. I still think they'll be satisfied. So next, all you have to do is take your double-sided tape and just tape. I'm going to put some here. So just tape all 3 pieces. And if you don't have black construction paper, you can use, a trash bag. Anything you can find around your house will do. Okay, so next I'm just going to attach the eyes. I got my double-sided tape. Just find a good placement. I'm doing this with one hand, you guys, so that's why it's not working out as easy. All right, so there you have it. My ghost is completely done. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos for other Halloween decorations. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I will chat with you in the next one. Take care.